2 whiskey of 2020 comes from a popular and very widely available Kentucky brand. It scored a whopping 95 points from Whiskey Advocate's blind tasting panel and costs just $60. And it's 12 years old. One of the best ratios of age, price, and quality we've ever seen. Whiskey Advocate's number 2 whiskey is Knob Creek 12-year-old. Its maturity is evident from the start, with a complex nose of cinnamon, leather, pecan pie, and mint chocolate, giving way to layered flavors of rich spice, chocolate ganache, and leathery oak. This whiskey has incredible balance and stays full-flavored and robust to the very end of its lengthy finish. As part of Jim Beam's small batch collection, Knob Creek has long been a favorite of many bourbon lovers. It's kept us happily entertained with single barrels, anniversary editions, and other special releases. But this well-aged core bourbon is 95 points and $60, and that makes it the number 2 whiskey of 2020 and an exceptional reason to enjoy Knob Creek even more.